By default, Gemini saves every conversation you have to your Google account. Here's how to turn that off in about 30 seconds. On the web, click Settings and Help in the bottom left of Gemini, then click Activity. On mobile, Android or iPhone, tap your profile picture in the top right, then tap Gemini Apps Activity. You'll land on the same page either way, and near the top, you'll see the Turn Off button. Click On near the top of the page. You'll get two choices. Turn Off stops Gemini from saving new conversations, but keeps your past activity in place. Turn Off and Delete Activity does both, stops future saving, and clears everything at the same time. I'll go with Turn Off and Delete Activity. Follow the confirmation steps and that's it. Keep Activity is off. From here on, new conversations won't be saved anywhere in your account. The sidebar won't log them and they won't be used to personalize or train Google's models. One thing to know, turning this off also disables workspace integrations inside Gemini. So if you use Gemini with Gmail, Calendar, or Google Drive, those connections will stop working until you turn Keep Activity back on. That's it. Settings and Help, Activity, Turn Off, Confirm, done. And if you ever want to turn it back on, just head to the same page and hit Turn On. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.